What you afraid of? You think they don't see your fear. They don't see you hiding. They know you want to go out for the basketball team. They know you want to write that book. They know you want to do all those things. But you avoiding it because you don't want them to see you fail. But what you don't realize is they see you failing anyways. Why? Because 90% of communication is nonverbal. It's nonverbal. So you may think you slipping through the cracks. You may be thinking that you're getting away from embarrassment because you stand within a confined comfort zone, right? Stand within a confined comfort zone that seems to keep you safe and secure, where no one can analyze you and be critical about those dreams. Those dreams ain't for you only, by the way. Every time a dream dies, it leaves behind a scale of skeletons. Who is those skeletons? People who depended on you. People who you don't even know. Because we so concerned about the people in our immediate circle and what they got to say because of their own insecurities about their own dreams. We forget about the person across the country who don't got no skin in your game. But they need to see you win so that they can know that they can win. Because they might be at a certain place in their journey, right? They might be at a certain place in their journey and they ready to quit. But they see you on YouTube or they see you out doing something and they understand your story. And now they ready to keep it moving. They got momentum again. You just breathe fresh life into them. But if you standing around scared, if you letting your fear cripple you, what you doing? Society needs your vision. That movie that you've been writing in your head, that book that you've been writing in your head, them clothes that you've been designing in your head, those dances that you doing when ain't nobody seeing, them ain't only for you. So what are you scared of? Right? Would you rather have some fake smiles or a fulfilled dream? A life with fulfillment? Because if you're not operating in your passion, if you're not operating in your vision, you ain't nothing but a corpse. You ain't nothing but a breathing corpse. Because we are all made to operate completely in our purpose, in our passion. Everybody has one. And you got a unique one. Because ain't no other you. Look in the mirror. It ain't no other you in the world. Yeah, you might not like, oh, I don't like my forehead, or I don't like my skin, or whatever it is. But it's only one you in the world. They don't make them like you. Take the good with the bad and shape your purpose, your passion, and go out and give it to the world. It's a gift. It's nothing to be afraid of. Let them laugh. Let them ridicule you. Let them talk about you. Let them. Don't be afraid. And not only that, the people that that's laughing at you, you letting them down. Because they laughing because they scared to do what they called to do. So you gotta be the one that's not gonna be a follower and step outside of your comfort zone. Step outside of your comfort zone so that they can step outside of their comfort zone. Because laughter usually masks pain. Laughter usually masks insecurity. And remember, 90% of communication is nonverbal. So you ain't hiding from nobody. They see it. They see you dying. You gotta let that dream live. You gotta take that flower. You gotta plant it, take that seed, plant it, wait till it turns into a flower, and watch it grow. You see that tree behind me? That's life. It's living. That tree was probably only a seed at some point. That's your dream. You got to take your dream and turn it from a seed into a forest. Right? You got to take your dream and turn it from a brick to a building. You got to take your dream, right, and turn it from a dream to straight reality. But you can't be scared of these folks, man. Let them talk. We ain't worried about nothing. Let them talk. Live your dream. Go out today. Start today. See, I'm stepping out. I'm stepping out on faith. I'm out here. What's up? What I gotta do? Put that pain in. Go get it. Remember, dream big, work hard, live great. Don't stop. It's your boy Sean Rock Tiller. I'm signing out. Peace.